Looking for reliable Pittsburgh movers with a truck? We proudly serve Pittsburgh's diverse neighborhoods, ensuring your move is smooth, affordable, and hassle-free. 3 Movers is proud to be part of Pittsburgh's vibrant community. From the iconic neighborhoods to the hidden gems of this great city, we've got the expertise and the right equipment to make your move seamless. Packing doesn't have to be stressful. Our skilled packing team can carefully wrap and box your items to ensure everything arrives safely. With prices starting at just $25, $30 an hour, our packing services save you time and stress. Don't risk damage to your fragile items. Our packing experts know how to securely wrap your belongings, ensuring they stay safe during transport. We'll even pack your home in less than a day, perfect for last-minute moves. Here's a breakdown of our moving costs. Studio or 1-bedroom apartment, around $200. 2-bedroom apartment, about $1,000 SQD fit, around $350. 3+ bedroom homes, starting at $1,000. Our rates are competitive, and our experienced movers can complete your move quickly and efficiently. Reach out to 3 Movers today for a free moving quote. Let us help make your Pittsburgh move easy, affordable, and stress-free.